Beloved South Africa, this is Mandisa Mthembu. I'm back from prison and I'm taking over as president of the country as promised. I have decided to introduce the single transferable vote electoral system since the corrupt and unethical IEC will be dissolved and will be replaced by SA Electoral Reform Society. The single transferable vote is a different and fairer system than the system currently used in South Africa. The first past the post. Unlike first past the post, single transferable vote gives fair representative to the contesting parties in proportion to their support. It will no longer be possible to win overall majorities in council. Under single transferable vote, minorities parties will have a significant degree of support and will have their voice heard, unlike the current system. The single transferable vote gives the voters, rather than the parties, power to choose which candidates represents them. It also maintains the link between the elected representative and the local constituency areas. Members are chosen as individuals by voters. A single transferable vote is about giving voters a choice of candidates and a fair representative for their views. Although single transferable vote gives what they want, it is also fair to the candidates and the contesting parties. In a single transferable vote elections, there are no substitutes for having an attractive policies, choosing good candidates, and running good campaigns. The voters have the power and are not robbed of their vote. Remember, South Africa, no one is coming to save you or your country from the plague of corruption and ailing democracy. You have the power in your hands to make the change and to decide the fate of this country. The general elections will be on the 18th November 2025. During the course of next week, I will be laying out plans and introducing new laws to reform, rebuild, and restore order in our country. May the Lord Jesus continue to strengthen godly hands and weaken the wicked hands of oppressors. I thank you.